Hello everyone, my name is Shaina. I'm a physical therapist. In today's video, I have a special surprise for you. My husband is going to join me in this video. Recently, he had a fall and he injured his shoulder. So I thought it's a perfect opportunity to teach some effective exercises. So let's get started.
Hi everyone, my name is Keshav and I recently had a shoulder injury because of a fall a couple of months ago. And
What problem are you facing?
well, during the external shoulder rotation, I feel a lot of pain.
Okay.
If you see, my movement is restricted till here.
Okay.
On the other side, I can move further and without any pain at all.
Okay.
If I'm doing any shoulder overhead press, I cannot go all the way up, and if I try to, I feel a little bit of pain and there's a lot of instability in my shoulder. So if I'm doing a little bit heavyweight shoulder press, which I was able to do before, I feel that my hand is shivering a lot. Another thing, I used to be able to touch my hands from my back, and now I'm not able to do it because like moving this hand up, I feel a lot of pain in my shoulder.
Okay. As you can see, he has two complaints. Number one is reduced range of motion. Number two, instability and weakness. So I'm going to demonstrate few exercises on him which are going to help him strengthen up his rotator cuff muscles and improve stability and reduce pain. So let's get started.
And also gain back my strength.
So the first exercises are going to be basic. These are called isometrics. We are going to work on interior, middle, posterior deltoid. So let's get started. The first exercise is for interior deltoid. What you're going to do, take the towel and place it in front of your fist. So his arm is going to be 90-degree angle, slightly up. Now he will push the wall without moving his shoulder. He's working on his interior deltoid. And he's going to hold for 30 seconds. So whenever you're doing this exercise, make sure you breathe. Breathe naturally. Don't hold your breath. And relax. Go for at least 4 to 5 repetitions, and it's best to do exercises both sides. And relax. The second exercise is for your middle deltoid. So what you're going to do, take the towel and place it slightly above your elbow joint. Now he's going to push against the wall from his elbow joint and hold for at least 30 seconds. Breathe naturally.
And I feel a little bit of pressure over here.
Yeah.
And I can see it working.
Yeah. So these are your middle deltoid. So you will feel a lot of pressure over this area. So go again. Hold for 30 seconds. Go for at least 4 to 5 repetitions. And do these exercises at least twice a day. And relax. The next exercise for your posterior deltoid, these muscles are behind your shoulder. So what he's going to do, stand against the wall and we are going to keep the towel up slightly above the elbow joint. Now push the towel from your elbow joint. You'll feel the pressure here. Do you feel it?
Yep.
Hold for at least 30 seconds. Focus on your breaths. And relax. Go again, push against the wall. We'll go for at least 4 to 5 reps and relax. The next exercise is external rotators. We are going to strengthen up the rotator cuff muscles. So we are going to work on teres minor and infraspinatus. They are behind your shoulder. So what you're going to do, you're going to stand straight and your arm is going to be 90-degree angle and tie around the TheraBand near your fist. Now from here, take your elbows outwards. Yes, hold for 1 second in the end range and then come back. Go for 10 reps. And relax. The next exercise is internal rotation. So what you're going to do, stay in same position and tie the TheraBand around your fist. Now from here, he's going to take his elbow inwards. We are working on subscapularis muscle. This is one of the rotator cuff muscle. So make sure your elbow is slightly up and now go inwards and look forward. Perfect. Go for 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. And relax. The next exercise is lateral raises. We are going to work on middle deltoid. So what you're going to do, stand straight and hold the dumbbells. Now from here, he will lift his arm sideways and slowly bring it back. Go for 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Make sure you focus on your breaths. Perfect. And relax. The next exercise is prone tees. So what you're going to do, lie down on your stomach. Now from here, your one hand is going to be below your head and other arm is going to hang, which is affected. Now from here, lift your arm sideways up and hold in this position for at least 1 to 2 seconds. We are working on posterior deltoid, teres minor, infraspinators, as well as your middle and lower traps, which are here, and then bring it back. Go again. Go for at least 10 reps. The progression of this exercise is gonna be, you can hold the dumbbell and then you can do this exercise, and it is good if you do the exercise both sides. One more rep. Relax. The last exercise is shoulder taps. For this one, get in high plank position. Make sure your body is in straight line. So lift your one arm and touch opposite shoulder and come back. Stay here for 1 second and switch other side. And relax. How do you feel after doing these exercises?
I already feel better. I think I see that my middle part of the shoulder that was a pain point is working. So I do feel a little bit of soreness, but I'm sure it will get better with time. And yeah, I think these exercises, if I do these every day, I'll be back to lifting heavier weights and also doing what I was doing when I crashed.
Absolutely. And I hope you feel better soon, and we will see you in the next videos. Thank you.